Hello, everyone, and welcome to Ancient Roman Trading Secrets with General Romulus. That's me, Romulus. Before we talk about some trading secrets, I want you to take one moment, step back from all the trading, investing thoughts and conversations that are going on in your mind, whatever you're doing for work, handling things with the family, and take a good long look at this picture in front of you right now. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Stunning. And I want you to ask yourself, what is your sailboat at the end of the rainbow? Isn't that amazing? There's actually a sailboat right there at the end of this rainbow. I took this picture about 2 weeks ago while I was on my honeymoon. Yes, your old buddy Romulus got married recently. This was taken on the west coast of Florida. I want you to ask yourself again, what is your sailboat at the end of the rainbow? So as you're thinking about that answer, I want to let you know that my partner Troy and I, Troy is the CEO and founder of Backpack Trader, which, by the way, you do it right, you get this done correctly, you could be on that sailboat, pulling off a couple of great trades and off enjoying the beautiful sunset. We are hosting a free webinar, which is coming on Saturday, August 6th. So again, Saturday, August 6th, 2 p.m. Eastern. It's going to be a friendly, laid-back affair. Just click that link that you see right there also below on the video, and we are going to show you how to find your sailboat at the end of the rainbow. This is not for my Centurion Nation. This is not for current legionaires in the Centurion Nation. You already know the answer to that. So everybody new to the Backpack Trader community, Saturday, August 6th, 2 o'clock, click that link, and we will show you how to make this your reality. Okay, on to stock market affairs. Yesterday was a big day for the interest rate world as the Federal Reserve raised interest rates once again, 75 basis points like they did at the previous meeting in June. They are not going to go 75 basis points at every single meeting, by the way. That's just a new kind of an affair. And interesting, prior to June, a 75-point increase. Last time that happened was 1994. You don't see that very often. And they're going to revert back more to common practices. 50 basis points coming in September, 25 in November, 25 in December. And that will more likely be it for quite a while. Here's the frustrating part for the Fed. They cut the rate, stock market goes up, oil prices go up. That's not what they want. That's not what they need. That's not what they're looking for. They're trying to calm everything down, but they've been playing this game of, hey, we got you. Goldilocks is our friend, and we're going to make it your friend. So let's go out there, guns and butter. You know what I'm talking about. They don't want to have pain, but they want to make sure that inflation stays away. Can't have it both ways. Cannot have it both ways. So they're going to have to continue the interest rate increasing environment. Stock markets today kind of reacting post-meeting, a big up day. But you notice, though, where's the volume? Okay. Where is the volume? I mean, big up day yesterday, big up day, and no volume. Okay, no volume. There's just no interest out there. Okay, there's no interest in following this market higher. And by the way, I'm not talking about a little run up here. I'm talking about volume like this. I'm talking about like this. You know what I'm talking about? Let's go back and show you what happened a little bit after COVID. We're going back in time here all the way to March, April. Look at that. This is the kind of volume I'm talking about. You see that right there? After the market gets hit, and then boom, it just stays hot and heavy. That's the kind of volume we're talking about. And we don't see it. There's just no interest. Okay, without lack of interest, sure, markets can go higher for a bit, a couple days, couple weeks maybe. And I don't know, up in here, underside of some of this action over here, maybe the purple line. I doubt it though, but maybe the purple line. That's kind of a reach goal, but that more likely just kind of the underside of here if it even gets that high. But without volume, you're not going to sustain it. A lot of people out there, and I want to stress this, people turned from bears to bulls pretty darn quick. PDQ here just in the last couple of weeks as oil prices have pulled back and interest rates have pulled back a little bit as well. That's premature. Okay, that is definitely premature. As I've been saying consistently for the last several weeks, over the next couple of months between now and the end of September, these lows are going to be tested. Okay, these lows will be tested. So keep that firmly in mind. I want to remind everybody again, we are hosting a free webinar August 6th, Saturday, August 6th. we are going to show you how to find your sailboat at the end of that rainbow. Just click the link below. And again, this is not for current Centurions in the Romulus Legion. This is for everybody new out there. Click the link, Saturday, August 6th, so a little over a week away, 2 p.m. Eastern, just a casual, fun gathering. And Troy and I will show you how to find your sailboat at the end of the rainbow. Okay, Meta earnings are out. They're showing year-over-year drops in revenue and earnings. That's kind of a growing problem in the tech space. While all of them, whether it's Microsoft, Google, some of the others, Netflix, maybe not showing as dramatic drops as Meta, but there's a market slowdown without any question. And the slowdown has been apparent. I mean, that's one of the reasons the stock prices are down. It's no mystery out there. The slowdowns are apparent. They are increasing. And it's probably only a matter of time before the rest of the large tech space joins Meta in actual decreases year over year on their earnings. And that will create another leg down in the stock market again over time, probably right around when I said mid-August into early October timeframe. Okay, Amazon and Apple tonight after the close, two big ones. That is about it for the big cap companies across the board once these two come out. Amazon's a big risk, could go either way. Apple earnings should be decent to better. I don't know if the stock price will react too much because it is up a fair amount already. So they kind of priced in some pretty good news already, but not expecting any bad news surprises like a Meta or even a Google and a Microsoft. Even with that case, though, these two stocks, Google and Microsoft, both went up a bit after. It was a case of the news simply wasn't as bad on a short-term basis, at least, as what many were expecting. Qualcomm is also having a problem today, down over 6% due to some weakness in their earnings. This shows the risks of putting too many hopes and prayers into what's going on in Washington. Right now, there's a big discussion about passing a bill that will put a lot of money toward clean energy projects. So you've got the solar stocks that are reacting. The TAN ETF, Exchange Traded Fund, that holds a bunch of the solar stocks is up over 5% today on news that Washington will pass a bill in the near term that will put a bunch of money into the clean energy project space around America, just as they were talking about putting $50 billion into the semiconductor company space, and that also will pass. But you can see that despite that, in the shorter term, companies can still get mangled. That's what you want to be careful of. This is still a bear market, and you want to remember that. Okay, hey, this has been a great week. Appreciate the time, everybody. This is your old buddy Romulus. That's right. Don't forget, we are hosting a free webinar coming up in just a week and a half, and Troy and I are going to show you. Sign up right here, Saturday, August 6th, 2 p.m. Eastern. Again, this is not, I repeat, not for current Centurions in the Romulus Legion. This is for new people. Come on and join us. Just click the link right there, and we are going to show you how you can find your sailboat at the end of the rainbow. Great to be with everybody. I appreciate the time. That is all for now.